In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can connect your Discord account to your PS5. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now this process is so easy, so we're going to get straight into this, but essentially first things first, go up to the settings gear up in the top right corner of your home screen, select it, and then scroll down to see users and accounts. Open this up, and then what you're going to look for on this left hand side is these linked services tab. Just scroll down and then scroll over to the right, and you're going to see Discord right on here. Go ahead and select this, and then choose link account. It's then going to take you to a page. Go ahead and just hit accept and continue. And what you need to do is either with like your mobile device, for example, or you could just like use your PC and go to this website. Just go ahead and scan the QR code that pops up on screen. It's going to immediately load you into Discord, and you just have to hit authorize. As soon as you do that, simply hit close. And as soon as you close out of that, you're immediately going to have linked your Discord account. As you can see, mine is currently linked right there, just BozYT. I just got to close this. I'm good to go. Now, when you return to this section, you can hit Discord and unlink it if you need to, but that is it. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point that this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.